All right, everybody, so you've got your Yale door lock installed. Hopefully you've put in your master code, which was super simple. Now open it up, put in your master code. Make sure you hit the wheel in the bottom, the settings.
Menu mode. Enter number. Press the gear key to continue.
If you want to set up a code for somebody in your
Register
family or
user code.
your cleaner
Press
or
the gear
somebody
key to continue.
to come into your house.
Press 1 to register a code. Press 3 to delete a code.
I'll just let the door lock
Register
tell you.
user code. Press the gear key to continue.
Pretty simple,
PIN
right?
code registration. Enter a 4 to 8 digit PIN code.
So 4 to 8, but we're just going to do a real simple one. It confirms it.
Registered. Press the check key to complete. Completed.
Apparently you can get up to 250 codes. Obviously, I don't know why somebody would need that, but let's check it. So you come to your front door, your cleaner's here, they want to open the door, somebody press the code, bam. It's that simple, guys. So this thing is awesome. If you like these videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Once again, I updated from the Quickset to the Yale, and I am very, very happy. I'll keep you posted with how awesome it is, but love it so far, guys. There you go. Thanks for watching.